The search for a young woman who slipped from a waterfall while bushwalking in the NSW Southern Highlands has entered its third day. The 20-year-old has been missing at Belmore Falls, near Robertson, since Sunday. Emergency services were alerted at about 1 p.m. that day and launched a major search involving ground parties and helicopters, but that was called off due to fading light. Yesterday, police divers were called in to help find her. The search resumed at 8 a.m. today. A command post has been established at the Belmore Falls Lookout car park off Belmore Falls Road. The waterfall, which plunges about 100 meters across 3 drops, is a popular tourist drawcard. NSW National Parks and Wildlife has closed the falls until tomorrow to help emergency services.